I got to 238 in December 2020. Yeah, December is one of the best months for YouTubers. But this December I was moving, so I didn't post much. December of 2021, I only did 288 in YouTube ad, and then in January I did 685. And some of these from the generous donation from you guys, and I really appreciate it. Donations from Livestream. So January we did 685, and I only have 8,000 subs. I think that's pretty good. And so far with February, I'm doing 234. Today is February 15, whatever. Still 2 days pending. My total views is really high, but a lot of them come from shorts, and shorts don't pay that much. Oh yeah, speaking of shorts, YouTube paid me $100 for my shorts this month. For the bonus. So, so on the 21st, I might get like $850 from YouTube for this month. Yeah, acceptance rate don't matter, man. We all know that. Only the new drivers worry about acceptance rate. But my views, most of them are coming from shorts. Yeah, within the last 60 minutes, the McDonald's non-tipping orders been getting views in the last 48 hours. So the last 48 hours, I got 68,000 views. But like I said, a lot of them are from shorts. Shorts don't pay that much. Within the last 28 days, I got 800,000 views. Last 28 days. Last 90 days, I got 2.1 million. A lot of them are from shorts. A lot of them are from shorts. Lifetime, I started this channel a year and a half ago. About 3.2 million, fam. 1 million views of long videos will get you, 9-minute videos will get you 10K. So 1 penny per view. Yeah, that's the rule of thumb. It could be more or less. Yeah. So if you can do 4 million views within a year, you can do 40K on YouTube. 4 million views within a year, you can take home 40K. That's the rule of thumb. Yeah, it could be more or less. That's take home. Yeah, you have to pay taxes on it. But you can write off anything. You can write off food. You can write off camera equipment. You can write off everything. Driving. But you have to, yes, you have to pay taxes on it. Yeah, that's true. Yao. Yeah. I mean, that's not always the case, but always wait for good orders. I mean, you don't have to decline everything, of course, but only accept orders that are good paying. Oh, okay. I don't know. For me, I didn't drive for 6 months, and they deactivated me. So I guess every city is different or something. Same with Lyft. They deactivated me like when I didn't drive for like 6 months or a year. Yep. I'll just wait for the lucrative orders. All right, fam. This has been the longest live stream. I'm gonna call it a night. It's been on for 6 hours. So yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in, fam. Thanks for all the donations. I forgot who donated, but yeah, thank you for the $35 in live stream donations. Really appreciate it. Thanks for everybody commenting. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, smash the like. Please check out my 9-minute videos. The last one was the DoorDash ride along, 52-minute videos. The regular videos, the non-live stream. And if you guys enjoy food and travel content, don't forget Food Addict is under my channel's description. Please check out me out on TikTok, DoorDash Delivery 1 or 2. Please follow me on Instagram, DoorDash Delivery 2 or 1. Yeah, I don't know which one is which. Thank you, Real Ramos. Yeah, man, the short's been helping me out, man. Thanks, everybody. Have a good night. Thanks, everybody, for staying me with a 6-hour live stream. Thank you. Have a good night. Peace, fam.